It's almost time to pick me now.
Run for her. Got a lollipop for yourself.
Welcome to a new day. Still on this vlog. I feel like the only thing keeping me going right now is like Nescafe, because a lot is going on right now. Today's agenda is brow lamination. This morning I'm using this Navina lash lift. I'm using it for my brows. It's for eyelash, but I can also use it for my brows, so that's what we're using. And I have a list of other things that I'm also going to be using. I'm just going to show you guys how I do my brow lamination at home. My mirror is not here and I'm wondering because I need natural light, so I think I'll be using the bathroom mirror to do this. We're starting by cleaning my brows. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start with the perm, this one. Let's brush my brows up. So I have this to use and apply. I I am done applying this on both brows. I'm going to use this cling film on my brows. The duration that you leave this depends on how coarse your hair is. For me, I usually will leave it for like 6 minutes. Let's see what this is like. I always love when I leave in my brows. I love how dark and stroke like they look. Okay, I think we are there. Let me take it out. Wipe out. We're going in with the second one, that's the fixation. I feel a little sting, and that is completely normal when applying this one. Again, I'm going to use the cling film to cover my brows and leave it for 10 minutes. For everything that you apply, you have to use a different application stick. It's time. Look at how long my brows are. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to trim it before I apply the last thing. So I'm using these two things. What I would do is just like trim up a bit. So I'm just going to clean under here because I love a full brow. I couldn't clean up my brows or trim my brows while looking at the camera because I just couldn't, so I have to do it off camera. But anyways, this is the last but not the least product I'm applying, the nutrition, and of course a new application stick. So let's just apply it to the brows. I'll apply this, then wait for it to dry. So this is what I use like every day for my brows to tame it down. So I just take like a little. You can use edge control if you want, but this is what I use. And if you want your brows to be a bit more darker, then you can go for, you can add a tint, but this is how I like it. So yeah guys, I am done. I'll see you when I see you. Hey, hi, hello. Morning, it's morning here. I don't know where you are, but hope everybody's doing well. I brought Sammy for his football. I am just here because I'm trying to finish up my cup of tea. I woke up pretty late today. He also woke up late. I mean, I think we're like really tired. Like I was really tired because of I've had like a lot of things going on with me. But yeah, let me just finish this up so I can go see him play, then get back home and get my day started. I'm so excited. Let's start playing with my mates. Learn what you need to learn, Yes, when I saw this, what's it called? Goddess Braids on YouTube, and she said we should do it with her natural hair. So guys, fingers crossed, wish me luck. Yeah, let's get started. Finally done with this hair. Super cutesy. I was scared I won't be able to pull this up, but I did. Young lady, what do you say to me?
It looks pretty.
And
It's really
I'll lose it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Come on. Okay, I'll do it myself since you guys don't want to help me. You know, you can use mine. Morning guys, so this is, say hi. This one, don't say hi. This one is not a good person. This one.
How the heck are you?
Hey guys, what's up? So the worst actually happened. I think that's like the worst that could happen is the fact that I react to paint, like wall paint. So if I'm somewhere where they are painting, I'm always going to come up with flu, and that is exactly what happened. Excuse me, I feel like sneezing. And that is exactly what happened. So I mean, overall, I'm just happy that we were able to finish the painting yesterday. And I had like this crazy headache all through yesterday night. I was able to manage that, and today too is slightly there, but the flu and it's just like stressing me out. And on top of that, some people that I ordered something from on social media are just trying to like stress me, but I'm like, I can't be stressed honestly, because I ordered some organizers that I was supposed to use for my room, and I don't know what the story is, but I'm not even going to allow that bother me. Overall, I'm just happy that everything is coming together well. I'll show you guys, maybe not. But let's see. I'm not gonna say anything, but anyway, just wanted to end this vlog and say thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.